Part of a 250-generation heritage, every baker has kneaded their hearts and souls into bread and made it their own. By trying out new recipes, new ingredients, and a string of baking techniques in search of even better breads, they continue to be inspired by this heritage. The future of bread lies in its past. At Puratos, we help you in this quest by respecting the three most important aspects of bread: health, taste, and texture. We never stop exploring, researching, and discovering new ways to make the most out of our baking traditions, both by mastering the art and craft of making better bread, as well as the ingredients to perfect it. Puratos, food innovation for good.